to my channel, guys. If you guys are new, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure to ring that bell. In this video, I'm actually gonna be doing a tutorial, and it's gonna be voiceover, and I'm also gonna talk for a little bit with this eye look that I have going on right here. I really like how this look came out. I feel like it's a little bit bronzy. There's a little bit of color. It's just a hint. And it's very easy to do. I actually achieved this look with a Friendaction palette that I just bought during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to blend that out with a brush, and then I'm also going to set that with the Wet n Wild contour palette. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Necessary from the Friendaction palette, and I'm basically going to put that all over my crease as a transition shade. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Just a Kiss, and I'm going to place that in my crease. What I'm going to do with this shade is I want to really carve out my crease and give it the shape that I want. It's also going to give it more dimension to the look as well. And then just blend. Now, I just did a really easy crease, nothing too defined or anything yet, but I did want to show you how I was going to apply Dirty Money, which is the color that I really liked in my Ulta haul when I tried it out. This one, this nice olive green. This is literally like one of those dollar e.l.f. brushes that I'm just going to take as a flat shader, and I'm going to dip my wet brush into this eyeshadow because I feel like also having an eyeshadow wet is really going to make it like, you know what I mean, pop. So I'm gonna put this all over my lid, and I'm gonna look down so that I could actually like really carve out my crease because I do have hooded eyes, but I want to make the illusion of having bigger eyes. So I'm gonna be taking the color, oh my god, do you guys see that? Can you see that? It's so pretty. It's like a gold but with an olive green base. But those, like, it just has a really strong gold glitter, but it's not chunky at all. I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I think what I'm gonna do now is just blend out those edges with the same brush that I was using in my crease, and just blend that out a little bit. And what I'm seeing is that as I blend it out, it does blend, and some of, like, I don't know how to describe it, but like the green is diffusing and so is the glitter. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I feel like now I just have glitter in my crease a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little bit of glitter in my crease. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take Cheens, which is that shade right there. I'm gonna take that in my crease and outer edge just to deepen things up a little bit, not too much.
Just right there. And just bring it up a little bit into the crease. I'm gonna flip it out just because I want to make a little bit of a color.
I'm gonna take a little bit more of Dirty Money because I feel like we kind of blended a little bit of it away, and I want that intensity again. So I'm gonna just, my brush is dry, and I'm just gonna put that back on, especially in the center. Really pretty. And like, honestly, from far away you can't really see like the glitter that's like way up here. Like I don't think you guys can see like the because I blended it out, and there's like a little bit of glitter in my crease, but I don't feel like you can really see it all that much. But I think this looks really bomb. I'm gonna be doing the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back to finish the eyes. Awesome, so I just came back and I have my full face done, as you guys can obviously see. I'm gonna have everything that I use in my face down in the description box below if you guys want to know what I actually used. But I wanted to come back on here and kind of share what I am gonna do in my lower lash line. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Awesome, so this is what the eyes look like right now. I think they look really, really pretty. I kind of want to smoke out my lower lash line just a tee bit. Ooh, I almost forgot my inner corner highlight. You thought I was gonna forget my inner corner highlight. And this is just a little Clinique brush I got from this is a little Clinique brush that I got a really long time ago from like a holiday collection, but you can use any small brush. Oh, this looks like really chunky glitter. Let's see. Ooh. Do you see that? Boom. Boom. I don't know if you guys can see that inner corner highlight or not. But hunty, she is there. She is on. She is living. Boom. Shout out to Christine. Love you, girl. So this was the final look of, actually let me do a quick costume change. I'll be right back. And that's the end of this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below whatever you guys want to see next. Do you guys want to see another tutorial? Do you guys like these? Do you guys like voiceover more than you know, like just me talking to you guys? Because I know I can definitely talk a lot. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. And like I always say, be blessed, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next day, night, evening, wherever you guys are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.